Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. If you found these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of exam DP test questions, round 4, question 5. The topic of this tutorial, differential equations, the general solution. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I am going to show you, as this is the method marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, our question goes: tan x dy over dx minus y equals e to the x times sine x cot x. Okay. So, first thing we need to do is make this dy dx equal to 1. So, but first on this side we need to make cot equal to tan. So what we will have is tan x dy dx minus y equals e to the x sine x tan x, because 1 over cot equals tan x. So that is how I got this. Now as you see, this is tan, that is tan. We can eliminate. So divide by tan x, divide by tan x, divide by tan x. Okay, tan x and tan x cancel, tan x and tan x cancel. Now we are left with dy over dx minus one over tan x y equals e to the x sine x. Now we want this in a single line, so 1 over tan is equal to cot. So 1 over tan is equal to cot x. So now we have dy dx minus y cot x equals e to the x sine x. Okay, now that we've got that out the way, now what we can do is we have py and q. So what we will do now, so y is equal to ye to the cot x minus cot x equals the integral of q times e to the p dx. What we're going to do is integrate cot x. The integral of cot x is minus, now the integral of cot x will be minus ln sine x. So what we have is y to the e minus ln sine x equals the integral of e to the x times sine x times this here. So what we're going to do, ln and e cancel, then we are left with, now in this particular case of sine cos tan, with this particular case we will go 1 over sine cos tan. So this is 1 over sine x. When it's ln, it becomes 1 over sine x. So minus 1 over sine x. Now what we do, now we can actually eliminate. This eliminates with that. We're left with a minus. So the minus comes on the outside. So what we are left with is y 1 over sine x equals minus e to the x plus c. And if we had digits or anything like that, so if we had limits, now is the time we'd put our limits in. At this point, if we had limits, we'd put our limits in. They would normally say at the beginning of your question, it'll be y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and so on and so forth. But in this case, there is no letters, because what they want to do is when they give you limits to put in place of x and y, they want to find the value c. That's what they want to do. So remember that if there's no values, you just give the general solution. If there's values, you give the particular solution. But right now, this is it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you would like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.